Okay, we're going to do one now on how to gap a spark plug correctly. These spark plugs are 1ZRF 6Js, which are for later model Optimax motors, especially Pro XS. Getting a correct heat range is very important. On Mercury motors, I won't use anything but the original spark plugs as Mercury recommends. No auto lights, no ACs, no champions, except in the models that require the champion plugs. This is a wire type gauge. See the little wires? You do not want to use flat feeler gauges. They won't slide into the, be sure that you got this type of gauge. Then you also need this little device here on the end to bend the electrodes. And when you bend the electrodes, be sure that this does not contact the porcelain in the center. So hopefully you can see that if I get down here, I'm going to pry against the porcelain. That can crack it and ruin the spark plug. Come up here a little higher so it's not interfered with anything. But I'd like to point out something here. These plugs come out of a customer's motor recently. These plugs are supposed to be gapped at 42 thousandths on this application. A 30 will not pass through that gap. When I slide that into that air gap, will not go through it. Okay, the gap's supposed to be 42. We want to use a no-go type gauge. So I want to set it so a 40 will go through, but a 44 will not go through. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to position this on here, and you'll feel a spring-loaded effect. And be sure to hold it by the metal, not by the porcelain. You can't crack a plug holding it by the porcelain. And you'll feel the springiness in it. And you have to overcome that springiness just a little bit till you feel it barely move. If you place your finger out here on the tip, you can feel 1 or 2 thousandths quite easily. So when I think it moved, I'm going to check it. So 40 still won't go in. I got to go more. It's better to be a little conservative. You don't want to be over bending them. So I'm going to go a little bit more this time. Okay, I felt it move. 40. 40 is almost going. Don't force it through. If you force it through, you can damage that little iridium tip on it, and the plug's no good. They are rather delicate, even though they take a lot of use running all the time. All right. Okay, 40 goes through easily now. Unfortunately, so does a 44. 45 does not, so it's very close. So I'm going to go back just a little bit. So again, the opposite way. All right. Now 44 goes in barely. I'd like it where it just does not quite go in there. Okay, 44 does not go in now, and a 40 does. Plug gap is perfect, about 42 thousandths. Hope this helps you all out on how to gap a plug correctly.